everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fiya Foods. Today we will be making quesadilla. So to start with the recipe, you will be needing 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 7 grams of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 50 grams of baking margarine, or you can use real butter, and 1 cup of hot water. Mix the ingredients together until the dough forms a dough. Please watch the full video and don't skip the video nor watch it on speed, as it really helps out my YouTube channel duration when you watch the full video. And please give this video a huge thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Once the dough forms a ball, knead it for 5 to 10 minutes. Subscribe to my channel and press the red bell notification besides it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And please share this video with your family and your friends and your loved ones. Place into a bowl and cover for 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes are over, make it into a long dough and separate it into 6 balls. And then cover it again for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes is finished, take out one ball and start flattening it and rolling it out into a flatbread or tortilla. Then fry the tortilla until little bubbles form, and then cover to keep the tortillas warm and soft. In a bowl, take 4 chicken fillets and cube it, then marinate it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of chicken spice, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic, 1/4 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon oregano, and 1 teaspoon mixed herbs. Mix the spices together, and in a pan add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and fry the chicken until it is cooked. On your tortilla bread, lay sliced onions, lay sliced tomatoes, lay sliced cucumbers, lay scrambled eggs. If you don't want scrambled eggs, this is optional, you can skip this step. Add mayonnaise, add hot sauce, it's optional also, hot sauce or Tabasco sauce. Add mozzarella cheese, add cheddar cheese, and then add your cooked chicken. Fold the other half of the tortilla over the side which has all the ingredients, and Brush melted butter over the tortilla. Place the buttered side onto the pan and toast the tortilla sandwich. Fry until it is light golden, then brush melted butter on the top and then turn it over and fry until it is lightly golden. And there you have the quesadilla ready to be eaten. It is so cheesy and yummy. It's the perfect breakfast recipe that you can make. Today's video shout out goes to Abdul Waqar's vlogs. Please go on his channel and watch a few videos. He makes really interesting videos about travel, food reviews, historical places and vlogs. So do visit his channel and subscribe to him, watch his videos, like his videos and show your support. Thank you for watching. Bye.